What's going on, guys? Alright, so just want to show you guys my analysis of my trades today. So in the overnight session, you can see that we create this little gap and we take this previous day low. We also fill this gap, touch CE. We pretty much go up the entire night. We're definitely chopping around a little bit in what's it called, bro? London. We create SMT, which is why we exploded up at 8:30. So pre-market, we just explode up, right? Because of that, I'm bullish, and I wanted us to take this high on NQ. Well, obviously that's not really attainable for today, but we do end up taking the high on ES, so we create SMT, and we're also within this 1 hour gap. So this is pretty much where the reversal is. So took 2 trades today, 1 loss, 1 win. This was my first trade. I entered in at CE. No, it was a little bit below. It was like right here. At CE right there. TP here. Yeah, TP was right there. I'm pretty sure. I want to say. Ended up getting stopped out off of the rebound to this 3-minute gap. Unlucky. I think to me that was a good trade. It was my rule. My rules. We were in we did rebound to this 3-minute gap, but because of how price had been acting and also my levels on ES, I felt that this was the low, or the high of day. So, I'm not really too sure about that anymore, but it's all good. So that was the first shot I took. The second trade I took was this. It was like this, I think. Something like that. And my TP was here, but you can see we create bullish SMT here, and I just want to be break even on the day plus a little more. So this is what it ended up being. So I got out like right here. Right. So those are the trades I took today. I ended up switching my setup to what I used to use because I found success with that, and actually in my journal I talked about that. So the issues I've been facing right now: greed, confidence, fear, hesitant and second guessing. Solutions: watch one Salmon video every day. Rewatch my old videos to see exactly what I was doing each day. Forward and back test to gain confidence. And enter trades based solely off of analysis, and that's pretty much what I did today. So that's progress. I watched my one Salmon video yesterday. I traded my setup today, and we ended up having a winning day. Obviously, we took a loss, but we also took a win. I didn't feel greedy today. So yeah, I'm excited for next week. Break even on the account pretty much. So we have all of next week to run it up. And even back testing, like I was kind of forward testing. This isn't really forward testing, but kind of is the setup, because this is pretty much what I traded last time. Just daily profile, right? Want to know where price is going to. I would draw and then trade the reversal, right? Don't need a top ticket, but just get a piece of it. And then a little bit of continuation if it's obvious, if it's like very obvious. So this could have been one. You can see we create turtle soup, rebound to this 5-minute gap, order block, right? You can have entry right here, and then TP could have been like wherever drawing liquidity is for one joint, right? So there's 30 points. Right, so there's that, and then could have also taken this. Alright. TP could have been at my level right here. Right. So I definitely need to get used to just having absolutely no fear in the market. That's kind of how I felt when I was trading very well. Obviously our stats are not pretty at all, but you know, we move, bro. And this is a learning process. I definitely could have avoided this Friday, but because I pretty much break even on the account, I was down like 150. I was like, why not? I need to get used to trading the new setup, and you know, on a day like this where it isn't completely clear and price action isn't the greatest, you know, I was still able to get something out of it and was calm and decisive about it. Like me getting out here when we formed bullish SMT, right? That was a great decision. It's me using my mind, right? Not being greedy. So yeah, I definitely want to see where price goes today. I really think we're just gonna chop up to here, and we're not going to see much of a reverse, right? Because price is less probable today. However, I do want to check Forest Factory. So next week, no news on Monday or Tuesday. All right. So what's it looking like on the break even on the account? You know, not not I whoa not ideal to start the account, but it is what it is. This is the learning process, right? Obviously I was cooking all of May. I mean April, May was just cooked, and June starting off pretty cooked. But as long as I do what I know I can do and trade the setup that I know, I feel like me trying to learn somebody else's setup when I was already having success with my own was a big mistake and like kind of a misstep. I kind of went backwards instead of forwards. But it's all good. But like I said though, I back tested all these days and found the setups that would have aligned with my strategy, and they were all there, and they all would have played out. So you know, watching my old videos definitely helped when I was cooking. You know, like my analysis was just very good, very solid. You know, and yeah, this is the day I passed the account right here, and then wait a minute, this is the day I passed the account right here. And I believe I took this trade on my second eval. I'm down. Yeah, this is my second eval. And then we ended up having to delete that account, and that just like ruined all my momentum. But it's all good, bro. We move, bro. We move. Gonna continue to try and do better. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Hopefully y'all had a decent Friday. I know price action isn't really good, but make sure to trade internal to internal. Not internal to external. So yeah, hopefully y'all had a good day. I'll see y'all next week.